Hi guys, this is Shafina from Profoto Hong Kong. I was thinking, how are you guys doing at home during this pandemic? Are you guys staying home, practicing social distancing and stuff? And I was thinking, if you're out of ideas of what to do at home this Friday, we've got just the right thing for you. International portrait photographer Muse Chan will be hosting a live session at CET 3 p.m. this Friday on his YouTube channel Muse Chan and his Facebook page Muse Chan Photography. This live session will be conducted in both English and Cantonese. Muse will be sharing with you his concepts behind portrait photography, a bit of color management as well as a bit of lighting setup. He will also be sharing with you his editing and printing techniques post-production. At a time like this, we all need a bit of love and support around the world, so we were hoping that you could join us for a bit of fun this Friday via YouTube and Facebook. Meanwhile, stay home everyone. Stay safe and stay tuned.